Everything together we've talked about so far. We've done a bunch of different things. Let's put them together. First off, look at your numbers. Okay, if A is negative, we're going to flip it over the x-axis. But if it's on the inside, we flip it over the y-axis. If I change the value to 1, if A is bigger than 1, it's going to get thinner. If A is between 0 and 1, less than 1, it's going to get wider. If you add something to your absolute value, it's going to go up. If you subtract something from your absolute value, it's going to go down. If you're inside, if it's x minus h, so it's minus, we're going to go to the right. If it's plus, we're going to go to the left. That's everything that's going to be on your formula sheet. You have to understand how to do it. Now, let's graph this image. We're going to state the domain and range. But before we graph it, let's write down what we're going to do. So that negative, we're going to flip over the x-axis. And then we're going to move it to the left 1 because we're up 1. I mean, it's plus 1, so we go to the left 1. Then we're going to go down 4. So we're going to go down 4 in this one. So if I go to the left 1 and down 4, here is my vertex. That's what the point of my vertex is, the point of my absolute value. Then we are going to take, and I'm going to go down 1. When I go over 1, I'll go down 1. Didn't show up there. Okay. I go over 1, I go down 1. Doesn't matter if I go to the left 1 or to the right 1. If I go over 2, I go down 2. If I go over 3, I go down 3. You see what's going on here? So we get our V. Only really need your second point there. And there is your absolute value graph using your transformations.